How does it feel, William? I never went to secondary school. Make us proud.
Hey, looking sharp, eh?
You too, man.
Kachokolo is not the wealthiest school in the district, but it's down to each one of you to decide your own level of commitment.
Commitment!
The rains came late this year, and now the trees have gone.
Malawi is preparing for a very long, hungry season.
Ukali muntu wamkulo sopana William. Palibe amene yanga titandize.
What are you going to do? Anything new?
It's a pump.
Can you fix it?
Maybe. Mr. Kachibunda, when you turn the wheel on your bike, the light shines. How?
It's magnets.
I can bring water. I know how to do it.
Ono papa libe za kuskulu.
We stay, we die.
No. With the electricity, we can plant in the dry season.
Antu wakufa kudziwa zimenezo? Tilima hapo! Tilima hapo!
Malusiwa, adzalika liti.
Zita kutaka. Ngati Mungu anitandiza. Wale watawa baba ndilibeza kulota.